Hey friends, it's Jason, your marketing professor, getting the steps in again. So I've got a short marketing lesson, something for you to think about. This one has to do with word of mouth marketing. I was talking with a small business a couple of days ago, and they said, hey, I've been in business for 50 years. Everybody knows who I am. I have no need for digital marketing. And that may be true. You've been in business for 50 years and everybody knows who you are. But the question I want to encourage you to ask yourself is, number one, what if there's new people moving into the marketplace? Is that a possibility? New people move into town who don't know who you are. They need to know who you are, number one. Number two, those people who've been doing business with you for 50 years, I hate to say it to you, they're gonna die. So at some point, we need to educate a whole new crop of potential customers. How are you going to do that? People are cutting the cord. They're not using cable television or satellite anymore. Everybody's streaming things. And when we're looking for something, we don't go to the phone book and we don't even say, hey, so-and-so, who do you recommend for, say, tires? We go to our phone, we go to our computer, and we hit that Google thing. And then another piece, word of mouth. What if the word on the street is that you're a knucklehead? What if somebody had a horrible experience? What if they don't like you? What if they think you're overpriced? What if they think your restrooms are dirty? What if they think your food tastes bad? What if the word on the street is not positive? How are you going to combat that? So this is an opportunity for you to be proactive, for you to share your message, say what you want to say, and get in front of your potential customers. And you can do it in a digital space through, of course, social media, streaming television, streaming audio. The list goes on and on and on. So don't rely on word of mouth. Engage in your own marketing where you control the narrative. About to make my turn at the end of the driveway. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.